Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and, of course, your new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For your safety, always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent any injury from potential battery acid. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your battery. It's usually under the hood, but some models might have it under the passenger seat. Using your 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Next, disconnect the positive terminal. Be sure to carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place before lifting it out. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the new battery terminals with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and snugly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both connections firmly with your wrench. Before you're all done, perform a few final checks. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. A loose connection can cause issues. Consider applying a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals for extended battery life. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a certified recycling center. This helps protect our environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.